Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a days in my life video. I started this vlog on a Monday morning and it was just basically me going to the market to get something before heading home. So I plan to do a shoot at home and I just went to get air for it. 9 p.m. at night. Like everywhere is dark, but I just basically want to tell you that I've not even gotten home. Like my phone is low. Like I've not even gotten home, and yeah, I'll let you guys know when I get home. I have actually had this video sitting in my drafts for months, basically since last year December, and I am finally letting it out. So I really can't remember most of the details, but yeah, this was just like me spending a day or two at home and just taking you guys along on everything that happened. So like I said, the previous day, which was Monday, I went to get air. That was because I think on the Wednesday I was having like a shoot. It was not something I was doing personally myself, so I went to get my hair done and I made a joke about it being my Christmas hair, because it was basically my Christmas hair. Like I used it for Christmas. And yeah, so I don't plan to do like a voiceover for this vlog, so I am basically just going to leave you to it. And yeah, it's just 8 p.m. in the night. Yeah, that's just basically, like I said, the video has been so long. Like I've shot several videos after this. I don't know why I just keep like refraining from posting some content. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is I don't know what to call it, but I'm having like a mini shoot today. I want to film like 2 videos and take some pictures. So this is a days in my life video, and I don't know what day I'm on right now, but today is a Wednesday, and just like I said, I want to shoot like 3 videos and take some pictures and then just continue these days in my life video. So I just woke up. This is 2:12. Before you judge me, ask me when I slept. I slept around 6, so if not for this shoot, I will still be sleeping. As you can see, my eyes is very like that, not it. So I just want to quickly have my bath and start the day.
If you're reading this now, odds are I've already left town.
So I just finished brushing my teeth and I'm just going to move on. I ate already, by the way. So like after, and I just want to quickly have my bath and just do like small setup and start. I have like just like 4 hours to finish up all of this. I don't know how possible that is, because these 4 videos are supposed to be very long. Okay, so I'm finally ready to shoot, and so my face is like this because of the type of video I want to shoot. So I want to shoot a skin prep video. I want to shoot a makeup tutorial. So that one works hand in hand, but I'm planning on posting them differently. I want to shoot a live update video. The first one I shot, I'm not really satisfied with them. Oh my hand. I'm not really satisfied with the outcome. I don't really love it. So that is just what I want to do like right now, and then after that I'm just going to take like videos, transition videos. I want to quickly do my transitions like right now, and that is all. So I'm just take pictures for my new year.
We cried and we laughed. There's a good chance our paths will eventually meet up somehow. Just know I had good reason to go. If you're reading this now,
that one thing that actually had a professional finish to your looks is clean up and touch-ups. So I've done little touch-ups, so I'm just going to do clean up around my lips. I'm done. Yep, done.
the same space, the same beautiful place in my dreams. And I kick at the walls, I keep tripping on old memories.
to film 4 videos, but I just finished 3 and I took some pictures and made some other videos, and I don't know if I'll be able to continue because I'm leaving first thing tomorrow morning. So I don't know if I'll be able to continue because, as you can see, let me show you, 2 power banks are dead and we don't have light. Okay, so I finally was able to shoot the last video and I'm done for today. So I'm just going to eat and just I actually love this look. I don't know why, because of I actually don't do smoky eye, I don't do red lips, so doing both like in one look, it's just giving me like this look, and I kind of look like my friend here. I'm going to send her the picture.
If you're reading this now, odds are I've already left town. A few cities in between, the new skyline where I'm looking down.